Hello guys. Today you're gonna learn how to clear your watch history on YouTube. So if there is a video that you watched but you don't want to be on your watch history or you want to delete all videos that you watched, follow these simple steps. First, let's quickly check if YouTube is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find YouTube. If there's a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds till YouTube install all the latest features. Now head over to YouTube and at the top right corner click on your profile icon. List of options will show up. Find an option called Settings and click on it. On the next page click on Manage All History. When you click on it, new window will show up. Here scroll a little bit and you can see your watch history. Now you can find the videos that you watched. If you want to delete a certain video, you can just scroll and find it and click on this button. If you want to delete more videos, you just go at the top and click on the delete button. Now you can choose the option to delete videos that you watched today, all videos, and you can choose a range of days. I will delete videos from today. That's it. Enjoy. That will be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.